Hello, YouTube fan. This is a DJ Robot, and we're playing a Ratchet and Clank collection, and I'll start to play Ratchet and Clank series. All right, all the Ratchet and Clank collection, 1, 2, 3, and yep, I'll be starting the Ratchet and Clank first series. You know how it goes. I can't tell the difference between the chapter and right. So if you go to the other side, they'll put in the credits. Like all the info. Yep. So, yep, we're starting the next game right now. Alright, here it is, Ratchet and Clank. Now before I start the game, I need to check the options. No subtitles. I mean really, why stick, well, this game they only start, this doesn't start with subtitles. The other games start with subtitles. Now you know how it happened. Kaiju Planet Veldin, 11:13 a.m. local time. Yeah, sorry I'm not.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
Meanwhile, in the factory on a nearby planet. Approaching planet Veldin, 11:47 a.m. local time.
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer you advice during your interplanetary travels. The Help Desk is a free service provided by Gadgetron Corporation.
Okay, what I'm doing here, checking the option, and all the options here in, the sound, even though there's no subtitles. Camera, I'm gonna have to try to change it because Normally, the between the Ratchet and Clank, I have a tool of destruction, you know, and there is the subtitle. Yep, I already did. Yeah, sometimes the control stick is hard. I mean, you have to change it, you know, your way. Trust me. The classic, well, classic. I mean, when I said the kaiju, yeah, that didn't sound right. I mean, when I try to look on the Google, you know, things, you know, what they say, I mean, they're not making sense.
You can interrupt help desk messages by pressing the triangle button. To disable help desk messages, please select options from the pause menu. Gadgetron's OmniWrench 8000 includes a new Comet Strike feature. To activate it, use the R1 button to crouch, and then press the square button. That's nanotech. Whenever you sustain injury, let Gadgetron's patented nanotech system rebuild your body from the inside out.
Yeah, what I'm trying to do is collect the bolt. Yeah, so I can gain more, like, you know, how do you say, more money. Right. And yeah, I kind of removed the video now because, let's just say the void I'm trying to do it in, well, you get to that. I'm sure one of you remember, like, you know, like I almost fall down, you know. Yeah, I removed it the first time because let's just say when I recorded this thing and somehow it got some problems. Various problems.
Your bomb glide, press the circle button to equip, and the circle button again to fire. You can also use it in first person by holding down the
Right, so two enemy I saw, and even though two of them maybe not come back from, you know, easy Ratchet Clank. Right? Your first weapon you can use is a bomb glove, right? And this is how it happens. You know, collecting more souls. Alright, now first you gotta collect the bolts first before, you know, you finish this level. Yeah, you finish this level. I said weapon here.
Interesting.
Yay!
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of...
Novalis.
My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation.
Cut!
And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
Chairman Drag flagship, Veldin orbit.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
Back on Chairman Drag's flagship.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny...
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
Entering atmosphere on planet Novalis.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
Yeah, sorry about the whole thing, you know. I have to save the game and you know everything. So here what I'm going to do now. Just moving around and well, I have to check the mission and then well, check the Gavatron weapon first.
I got some great.
I don't have that much money, but even if I do, I might don't need it yet, so I'm just gonna use a bomb glove for now. Yeah, check on the mission. Okay, the first mission I'm going to start is to find the guy that we saw on the cutscene. Now, you know Ratchet and Clank, and yeah, I'm gonna say it again. Ratchet and Clank reboot. The enemy might be coming back. They might be the same thing, you know. Sometimes they might be tough, you know. All that stuff. And yeah, like you can use the wrench or use the any weapon you can use. Right. How do you get there? You know, get the other side, and well, you saw that before. The only way to get the bolt is the other side. You know, across the bridge, and then voila. Anyway, before I start with the weapon, I mean, what in this classic, which is your favorite weapon? Let me know in the comment, because we all know that some weapons that got different. I mean, yep, that happened. They just destroyed the bridge. I mean, Drag is so evil. Yeah, sometimes the part when you do it right. I mean, in the classic version, it's different. And that's how you do. That's how you do. Yeah, over there different. Now there's something on the ground there, which is I'm not sure why, but well, I'm pretty sure you'll know. And I thought there's no way to the other side, but here it is. Now I would go for it, but I need to collect the bolt. Bolt. You know, I wouldn't call there with a lot of enemy. I mean, it just stinks if you are new to this game. Right, so I'm just going to make sure that I have a more health and ammo than both. There it is. He's inside. Now you gotta do is take care of the enemies, but if you want to take them all, you have to take them all one by one because you need to collect the bolts. I mean, I tried and see?
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, what are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal! So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's RoboShack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's RoboShack, it's Quarktastic!
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. You should press the select button to bring up the map and go to your ship. It's marked with a star.
Yeah, this is what happened when they do the cutscene. You lost the bolts that you defeat the enemy. Yeah. You can get 2, but 1, well, I mean all 3, well, you beat 2, get both, you beat 1, and not the rest of the bolts. Man, I can't say it right. Right, so now they gave up to the location of infobot. He gave them the ship. Yep. And right now, oh yeah, there's some bolts underwater. You gotta make sure to check it first, collect it, and make sure you don't stay that long because you know what happens. One more thing to say. Right, I will go to the other mission. I mean, go to the next planet, but I should be checking this mission first. Yeah, this is the next mission. Right, if I check in the weapon first,
I got some.
I know I want to get the flame, but nah. Like I said, I'm just gonna use the bomb. Now check the mission. Yep, explore the waterworks. Not sure why they call that, but anyway. See that? It will happen in a Ratchet Clank PlayStation 4. Now, right. Sorry. Anyway, like I said, I don't need to. Until I need to get something, then I might buy the weapon. You know, when I got to hit something and that happened, I mean, it didn't take me a hit. Oh, who knew? I know that there's, well, like, I don't know, there's some bolts there, but I'm just gonna try and check it out. And there's nothing there. Right? As usual. I mean, sometimes they get tricky. You never know if they have it or not. Now, as I try to get there, and I hit that. Yep. Sometimes the bolt could be hiding anywhere. Yeah, I try to get that. Yeah, not sure why, because even the water keeps you moving. Well, I tried to do something up, but at first I thought where that comes from, and now it might be the secret layer, but no, I kind of forgot where it is. See? It's not a secret layer, it's, well, you know, secret area. Just, you know, classic. Well, I wouldn't call it classic. Yeah, you gotta be careful not to fall. I mean, not that you kill, but you have to go up again.
Dad, blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking! The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this god-darn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
To enter look-around mode, press and hold the L1 button.
Geronimo!
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe?
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close! Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
Oh, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Kid, let's M-screen!
Eject! Eject!
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder, always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say. I've never seen him look so freaked out.
First of all, he got a good point. I mean, working people trying to, you know, even though when they work, and when things got trouble, all the people got evacuated. But for some workers, didn't get it because he have enough bolt. I mean, really, you have to spend money for the evacuate, escape pod? Seriously! Sometimes, you know. And anyway, second, he did slide down the sewer pipe. Oh, that's right. And I'm pretty sure you know it happened the same thing, you know, Ratchet and Clank PlayStation 4. Now, I would go to the next mission, the next planet, but I want to check some other areas to see if I find something, maybe some more gold. Right, now, what you're doing now is to make sure you open the door using the wrench, and you got in. Yep. You might say secret area. You know. Now, I try to hit the mushroom, but one of them may not because, yeah, like that. See that? When you hit one of these, whatever they are, well, as a mushroom, you get the bolt. And you didn't expect it that there's nothing there. I mean, you would expect it the enemy. Seriously. Expected is the unexpected. I hope that is right because I'm not sure. I don't think that's not what they said. And somehow I think I missed both. Well, hopefully you won't do the same as me. That? Huh. Oh, wait, but... there it is. But like I said, there's nothing to worry about because sometimes I miss them, sometimes I don't. But that's okay. Like they say, use it well, use it wisely. Yeah, I thought there would be more bolts when you die, but fortunately, it's not going to happen. Yeah, there's nothing there. And there's some, oh, you know. Now there's something on the wall. Yeah, see, I tried to hit another one, but no. Yeah, gotta make sure I have a, well, all the bolts, even though I'm trying to hit it. Yeah, yeah, I'm just gonna have to make sure it isn't out, but no. But anyway, see that? When I hit the wall, and this is my first bolt. No, my first gold bolt. Sorry. Now there's 40 gold bolts. Yeah. Everywhere, every planet. Now, I'm not sure how many gold bolts I have to search in this area, this planet, but if there's something you're missing, well, you need something to, you know, like, it will guide you something. And sometimes it will be difficult. Now, yep, it's raining good underwater. Now, even though if you look, but I have to make sure that he needs some more air. Yep. Or whatever you prefer. And there's the way out. Once I'm done here, smash things. Sometimes, yeah. And there it is. I'm out. Now to check, yeah, the Metropolis. And there's.
Hello,
Yeah, sorry about the
citizens.
video. Sorry. Right. So the next planet, I'm heading to Metropolis. I cannot read what else the planet they say. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope to see you next time, and yep. Alright. Bye.